Today, we are in St. Ignace for the Bronco the Mac weekend, where we are going to take this Bronco and 287 other Broncos on a parade over top of the Mackinac Bridge. It's one of the many major weekend events that happen here in St. Ignace. While we experienced the Bronco the Mac for the very first time, I'm also going to be explaining some of the other weekend events that happen here during the summer. First time driving St. Ignace with no top.
Yeah, it's the perfect day. I love St. Ignace. I like being here with a plan or without a plan, and this is the most plan I think I've ever had.
When we get to the staging area, I'm sure there's going to be everybody just decked out in all the accessories and modifications that they can have. So I'm going to show off some of those as we go throughout the weekend.
Yeah, wait, what did I just sign up for?
Yeah, I mean, we're in the parade.
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have no idea how cool this is. The Barker's going under the bridge right now. That is so cool. I wonder how long the 280 some Broncos are if they span the whole 5 miles. Oh, this is special right here. We've got our badge up here, Michigan assembled plant, built with pride. So this Bronco was built in Michigan, and now we're driving it over the Mackinac Bridge, the icon of Michigan.
Love being part of something, and a lot of times I get to be the fan, which I love. I love cheering on my friends and family doing things that they love. So it's pretty different to be in the driver's seat, literally in the driver's seat of this activity. It's pretty great so far.
So we're participating in the Bronco the Mac because that's what we have. Over the course of the summer through downtown St. Ignace, there's just about something different every single weekend that people can participate in. The flyer says St. Ignace, a small town with big events. And that couldn't be more accurate. And Marky is also right. It's fun to be a fan or a participant. This 2026 schedule of events allows us to do a bit of both. Some of the events have already came and went, like the pond hockey tournament we were at earlier this year. Others are coming up, like Heritage Days, Jeep's birthday, the Bridge Walk, and St. Ignace's massive car shows. The dates on the calendar, of course, are accurate for 2026, but most of these events are reoccurring. If the pond hockey tournament looks incredible, just check the dates for 2027, and then, you can participate in one of these small town big event weekends. That's the perfect way to describe what happens here. For us, on the Bronco the Mac weekend, the parade is just getting finished, but our weekend is just getting started. We have one of the scheduled meetups to get to. I wonder how many Broncos you have to see as a non-participant to realize that something's going on.
Yeah.
Is it 3, 5, 20, 200?
Yeah. So I wonder if it's just like, oh, there's a lot of people like Broncos around here.
The Kingston Hawaiian. I mean, I just think that sounds so good, but I'm probably going to upgrade to the sweet potato tater tots.
When we got married 17 years ago, did you think that this is what we would be doing?
I wouldn't have, I don't know if I would have guessed this exactly, but I would have said it would always be an adventure, that's for sure.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way things are going.
Yeah. Oh, for anybody who doesn't know, this is our anniversary weekend. So 17 years, and this is where we choose to be. I'd love to be one of the trail riders. I just don't think that we are prepared for it this year. That gives us something to look forward to next year.
For sure.
There we go.
Did it. My first Bronco the Mac.